going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the old Thunderbird. So if y'all seen Instagram the other day, y'all know that I done got old Cobra R Hood for the bird. So this is going to be us putting that thing on and taking a look at all the stuff you got to do for that under the hood. A couple things you got to do with the screws and the hinges and all that crap. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward install. Basically 4 bolts and that's it. Let's get that other hood off. Take a look in here. This is the old bolts that we're dealing with here. It's not going to be any normal socket. You got to go and get torque security screws, which is these little old bits. About the oddest bit ever. Like, what is that? God, these things are hot. Gonna try to get it out with a screwdriver, but after you basically get all them out, you go ahead, take out the shocks from the little ball that they're on, take the hood right off. So it should be easy enough. So quick update, torque security screws, these things suck. I don't understand why they put them on anything. So I got a brand new set of the torque screws, or the screw set, and put it in, started turning, broke the whole head of the socket off in there. Didn't budge a bit. I got 2 of them to budge on the other side with a little bit of PV blaster, but about as soon as they start turning, the socket turns in the screw and strips the whole inside of the screw out. So I'm not exactly sure how to get these things off for a second, so I'm gonna have to be looking it up, figuring it out how I can just like knock these things out. So we've resorted to the drill. We got a screw extractor, and we're gonna drill these boys out, put the extractor on there and get them turning, and should have enough force to bust them out, because this is about the only thing we got left. Oh, we're gonna have to heat that thread locker up for sure. But yeah, the extractor's in there at least, which means that it is pulling. Guys, we just got one of them out. Using the old screw extractor. About a, what, $6 tool?
Paired with my $10 tool that
Yeah,
I already had.
Unless you have a strong drill, you're not gonna be getting that thing out. We're gonna be putting new hardware in.
We're using all Irwin. I'd like to point that out. If you're watching this video right now,
go ahead and sponsor.
Go ahead and send us some cash. Would you look at the clamping power of this thing?
Oh, bust off as soon as you say that. We're gonna get a bunch new hardware for it, so we can actually use some good tools. But yeah, I think we're actually gonna get this hood on today.
Oh yeah,
definitely. We're gonna be doing a couple on the way to Lowe's again with the hood off. Gonna look good. Well, here we go. No hood, gang. I'm about to roll out. That looks so weird. Driving it around like that.
Every Thunderbird comes with a free violin case right there on the intake.
Everybody's gonna be seeing the V8 as we're going down the road. Now let's go get to Lowe's and get that old new screws.
Why is your stud about bent?
Don't ask me.
Goes in at an angle.
So we got the hood over here. We're now drilling out the hinges and tapping them so we can put new and improved hardware in. We gotta get the PB in there. peanut butter.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Oh! Let's look at this little tapping action right here. Got it all over my winder.
They got microfibers. You gonna have to hold that?
Huh?
I got it.
No. Look at that tapping action. Pretty good. Well, of course, the old stock hood latch about sucks, or the location is not fitted for the hood because whoever made the hood, the people that produce them don't make them actually fit. You gotta do a bunch of fabrication yourself. So we're gonna be drilling for the hood pins. A little dot right there, a little hole right here. Where's our hood pin at? Here we go. Put these little guys in there. We'll drill a hole in the hood. Mount the plates up. Here we go. Work on the first one. So we got the first hood pin in. Or the support for it to go into right here. We'll have to put this next one in. Put it in over here. We'll mark on the hood where these hit. Cut a hole. Put it right up through the hood and then mount the plates. And we'll be pretty good. And then maybe we can have a hood that's latched down. Body lines on this hood is about a little whack, so they stick up a little bit above here. Read a lot. I mean, these hoods, they're like not the best in the world. Like, they kind of look cool, but they take a lot of fabrication on your part to get them to fit. So, but we'll see how that goes. So we've got her lined up, drilled our pilot holes from the bottom. Now we got the top tape so we don't splinter the crap out of this fiberglass hood. It already started to crack right here, but anything around this area is going to be covered up anyways by these guys. So yeah, let's get these holes drilled big enough to get the actual pin part through, and then we'll put our caps on. Well, that was a headache, but we're done. Pretty good. The hood pins are in. She ain't going anywhere. Got our vents and everything. The cow's actually pretty big from the inside. Not too much. But yeah, that's how you put old Cobra R Hood that barely fits on your car on your car.
Pretty good.
Of course, hope y'all enjoyed that. And we'll see y'all in the next video.